Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum. Dear student, today we will start new syllabus Mathematics D2 chapter number 1 Direct and Inverse Proportion. In exercise 1D basic level question number 1 and 2. Today, first of all, we solve the question number 1. In question number 1, x is inversely proportional to y cube and x is equal to 50 when y is equal to 2. Now find the three parts. In first part, find the value of x when y is equal to 4. Find and connecting equation x and y. And in third part, calculate the value of y when x is equal to 3.2. Now, solution according to the given condition, x is inversely proportional to y cube. So, x is proportional to 1 upon y cube. This implies that x is equal to k upon y cube. Now find the value of k when x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 2. Putting the values, 50 is equal to k upon 2 cube. Taking the cube of 2, 2 cube is 8. 8 is multiplying on other side. So k is equal to 50 multiplied by 8. This implies that k is equal to 400. Now in first part x is equal to question mark and y is equal to 4. Now we have find the value of x when y is equal to 4. Putting in given relation x is equal to k upon y cube. So x is equal to 400 upon 4 cube. Value of y is 4. Now taking the cube of 4, 4 cube is 64. This implies that x is equal to 400 upon 64. Now 400 divided by 64 is equal to 6.25. In second part, we can find the connecting equation. So first of all, see the given relation x is inversely proportional to y cube. X is proportional to 1 upon y cube. This implies that x is equal to k upon y cube. Now putting the value of k, this implies that x is equal to 4 upon y cube. In third part, calculate the value of y when x is equal to 3.2. Now putting in given relation x is equal to k upon y cube. So 3.2 is equal to 400 upon y cube. Y cube is multiplying on other side and 3.2 is divided here. So this implies that y cube is equal to 400 upon 3.2. 400 divided by 3.2 is equal to 125. Now taking the cube root on both sides. Here y cube whole cube root is equal to 125 is the cube of 5. So 5 cube whole cube root. Cube root cancel out by cube. This implies that y is equal to 5. Now in question number 2, z is inversely proportional to square root of w and z is equal to 9 when w is equal to 9. Now we have find the connecting equation z and w. In second part, find the value of z when w is equal to 16 and in third part, calculate the value of w when z is equal to 3. Now in solution, first of all, according to given condition, z is inversely proportional to square root of w. Z is proportional to 1 upon square root of w. This implies that z is equal to k upon square root of w. Now we have find the value of k when z is equal to 9 and w is also equal to 9. Putting the value in given relation z is equal to k upon w square root. So 9 is equal to k upon 9 square root. First of all, taking the square root of 9, this is equal to 3. So 9 is equal to k upon 3. 3 is multiplied on other side. So k is equal to 9 multiplied by 3. 9 threes are 27. So the value of k is 27. Now in first part, connecting equation, z is inversely proportional to square root of w. This implies that z is proportional to 1 upon w square root. This implies that z is equal to k upon w square root. So putting the value of k, then z is equal to 27 upon w square root. In second part, find the value of z when w is equal to 16. Now putting in this given relation, z is equal to 27 upon 16 square root. First of all, taking the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So this implies that z is equal to 27 upon 4. Now dividing the 27 by 4, this implies that z is equal to 6.75. In last part, calculate the value of w when z is equal to 3. So if z is equal to 3, w is equal to question mark, putting the value in given relation, 3 is equal to 27 upon w square root. W square root move on other side and 3 is divided here. This implies that w square root is equal to 27 upon 3. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. So the value of w square root is equal to 9. This implies that removing the sign of square root, taking square on both sides, 9 square is 81 and w square root by cancel out by square. So w is equal to 81. Now for intermediate level, meet in next video. Best of luck. Take care.